In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the report phishing feature in Microsoft Outlook. As part of staying safe online, it's essential to know how to identify and report phishing attempts, and Outlook provides a straightforward way to do this by using an add-in. I'll walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to enhance your email security. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Outlook. If you're not already at your Outlook homepage, navigate to Outlook by opening your preferred web browser and entering the address for Outlook's official site, which is often a part of Microsoft 365. Once there, the next thing you'll see is the sign in page. Look toward the top right corner for the sign in button if you haven't logged in already. Clicking on this button will prompt you to enter your email and password. Make sure that you use the credentials associated with your Outlook account. Once you've successfully signed into your account, you'll be on your Outlook dashboard. From here, locate and click on New Mail, usually found in the upper section of your screen. Although we're not sending an email right now, accessing this area will give us the toolbar we need to continue with the installation. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the toolbar and look for an icon resembling apps or add-ins. This is where you can find more features to enhance Outlook's functionality. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will reveal various options. Among these, you'll want to select Get Add-ins. In this next window, there will be a search bar that allows you to browse through different add-ins. Type phishing into the search bar and this should bring up several related add-ins. For our purposes, we'll focus on the tool named Bastion Report Phishing. This add-in is tailored specifically to help you report phishing attempts efficiently. Once Bastion Report Phishing appears in the results, click on it. This will open up a detailed view of the add-in, giving you a bit more information about its capabilities and how it works. At this point, you'll see an Add button. Click this button and the add-in will be installed into your Outlook. This action will integrate the feature directly into your email interface, allowing you to report phishing attempts quickly and safely whenever you encounter them. And there you have it. With the Bastion Report Phishing add-in now installed, you're better equipped to handle phishing threats right from your inbox, improving your online security with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching this guide, and don't forget to stay safe out there.